Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2010 through 2013 Ford Transit van. This is the driver's side. This is not difficult to do. There's a lot to unscrew though. You've got, I believe, Torx 20 screws all around the door. Sides, bottom. Sorry if I'm blocking a little bit, but this is a working farm. But this is not difficult to do. Everything's pretty accessible. The clip's at double speed just to make it easier on you. Little mini ratchet there comes in handy. If you find this video helpful, do me a favor, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people such as yourself find it on YouTube. If you have any questions, go ahead, ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them within a day or so. I'm not really blocking anything of great interest right now. Now, after that, you've got a cover behind that handle you pull to open the door. And then behind that is, I believe, a Torx 20. You've also got a couple screws behind that handle cover right there. Might need an extension for that bottom screw. Let's pull the panel. And there you go, take off that bezel, that's that housing around the handle. You're going to unplug the wiring harness that goes to the side view mirror right there. And that's pretty much it. After that, take off the white moisture cover. It's designed to keep condensation from coming towards the door panel. I think I took the speaker off first. This moisture barrier is not really vital. It keeps moisture from coming towards the door panel from inside the car. If it's really a thing, just get some tape and tape it back on. If it's really a concern of yours, but it's not a big deal. Next, I was going to go ahead and try it and make sure it was actually the regulator that was a problem. So I plugged it in. And I whacked it with a hammer, which will usually get the motor working again. In this case, I don't think it did. So you've got a couple, I'm going to guess 8mm sockets. And then you can put the glass up. Before you do, you might want to spray a little bit of WD-40 on the channels, on the up and down, on the sides. Not shown, but the ones the glass travels in. Not the one your arm would rest on if the door was open, if the window was open, but the two that are up and down. You have to soak it, just give it a quick spray. So I put the glass up, and then you've got some, I believe, 10mm bolts. Before you do, let's make sure you get the right part. Go ahead and just hold it up and make sure it's right. 10mm, I think a couple of them were nuts, to be honest with you. They might all be nuts now that I think about it. Unplugging the wire harness. That was kind of a little bit of work on this. Out with the old, in with the new. I think I plugged it in first. A little bit of WD-40 on the up and down channels on the side. Bring the glass down. Line it up with that white bracket. Going to put those two small bolts back in. And that, my friends, is pretty much it. The rest of it just a matter of putting the panel back on, which you're welcome to watch. Again, if this was helpful, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. If you have any questions, please ask away. I'd be glad to help you out. And thank you for watching.